Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadian ke jingmi ke jingkeno banakaliang ke jaka ajing sumar ha civil hospital Shillong ke klam Shimkhia satya ha ke bede ke jing sha Thang jong ke Longkmie napo ke shnong niriang ke bahap hapo ke Thatlas Kane block ha Western Hills district hala ujong ukurim ke balaja ke 800 tarik unai luar ban ujor persya ye ute ubrio bat pengat de ke jingja hapo ke media legal case kalau Pynlong ke National Commission for Women bat ke Meghalaya State Commission for Women banlet syakati ke jaka ajing sumar minta kesngi ke arpau tarik unai wiang arjar pesau ban Pynlong sendan de kejingalang habdeng ki doktor bat ki bor bahalor hakani ke jaka ajing sumar ban kali perthau halor kani ke jingja katai ke Longkmie ke balangat hakum kani ke apot kadai wala tip kerteng kum ke kong warm hair shooting ke badan hendungut ki khun bat nakalang katai ke Longkmie ke klemya thu satya hano ya ke jingdon kti jong ulok banle ya katai ke kam namar ke jingtieng ya ke jingberngam bersit jong u hendrai ke dai tat hadu kini ke sisngi arsngi bakala Phla halaki jong di bahayi hasam ya ka jingdon kti ulok ban Thang ya ka hendrei ubala pha pat ya ka bakan thok bat ong bakala Thang hi yala de habakran shakila pathai khobor minta kasngi hadian ke jingalang Dr. C1 yang surgeon ulaya thu bakade ke jingja kala ja ka 800 ter unai luar ajar pesal bat nakaliang ukurim ulawan ban pinkit ya ka lok shaka jaka ajing sumar hak te jaka sumar hak hanyo tarik ubunai risau ajar pesal hak por kumba sau biji janmiet Hendrai ulawan ban sei no pat yaka na kate ke jaka ajing sumar haka shitarik ubnai nai wiang arjar pesau Hendrai ke tat hadu hanin ke sngi ka khat khanai tarik unai wiang arjar pesau na kalyang ki bahayi hasam jong kate ke Longkmie kilawan ban pinkit biang ya kate ke Longkmie syakate ke jaka ajing sumar u doktor wan yang ule thu bakate ke Longkmie kala ing bat men sau jur bha haka por bakalawan poi hakate ke jaka ajing sumar haka bakala ing kumba sau pesan ka met jongka kabakan thup na duk kadur khmat kikti ka khapo ka benta ba shapo ka met shadien bat kiladan shibun bha ki jingmin saw hagi babun ki benta ule thu ba kate ka Longkmie kala thia ku ba shibnai hapo kate ka jaka ajing sumar hendrai hadien kata kamtre satya ban sha yiginu kinu ki jing ajing sumar hendrai kala kwa ban let bet no shashnong watla na kalyang kate ka jaka ajing sumar kila pinbor yaka bakan thia bat sumar shwa hakate ka jaka ulaong bana kalyang kani ka jaka ajing sumar kaladap ban pentip ya kani ke jingja shaki bor pulit hakate ke juk kesngi balawan ban penkit da ulok jongka hendrai ke dekamon jong kate ke Longkmie hi ke bakwa ban mi no na kate ke jaka hadien shibnai bat ke jingbom ya thu hok jongka halor ke jingjaru kala Pynlong pat ya kate ke jaka ajing sumar bagan shim bakate ke jingja balale hi daladi nakaliang ke kong dalina khongdup ke bade ke dukhot ke National Commission for Women kle thu bote ukurim jong kate ke Longkmie ula the shwa da umpnyang sdi dok kha ya ka bat hadian katapan usa sanga ya te Longkmie hakendro hadu bakam tip briushu bat nang tapat unsa ken shot da umpnyang sharak bat Thang shi sundan ya ka
Good day to all. So today I had an opportunity to interact with the MS of Civil Hospital Shillong. As well, we have our surgeon who treated that victim or the survivor of who has been admitted in this hospital. So I will hand over to the surgeon who has taken care of the victim from the very first day. Sir, could you please brief about what was her situation during that time when she was admitted to this hospital?
Actually, the patient was brought casualty on the 7th of this October, around 4 p.m. She was getting a history of burn injury, which happened 1 week back. And all this 1 week back, she had taken a local treatment for a Kasi for it. Then during the condition was bad, so when she was, I think her husband, she was giving a history that took her to Jawai Hospital. From there, they referred to Shillong. So when she came to hospital, the condition was quite bad. She had around 45% burn, 3rd-degree burn. Her face, hand, upper abdomen, and her neck also burned. So even over the burn, there was so much dirt and scars because of the local treatment. So, however, we gave her the first aid treatment, and with regular dressing, she improved. She has been here for almost 1 month. After 1 month, the patient refused treatment. She refused dressing, she refused injection. She was very persistent to go home. So from our side, we went her to stay in the hospital because she needed more treatment for for proper healing of the wound. But since the patient is already negative, so the patient was discharged, right? Discharged. She left on leave against medical advice on the 1st of November. So that was a whole treatment history of the patient.
Doctor,
In this 1 month she has improved a lot.
Doctor, one question. Was the case being registered as a legal case or not?
Yes, for every burn case we hear, we take as we report it to the police route, and for burn case we always take a time declaration.
Doctor, when she came to the hospital on the 7th of October, you said, on this day did the hospital inform the police directly?
Yes, we informed the police. We have already on the same day itself. We've already taken a time declaration and informed the police in the hospital itself.
But on what basis was the hospital allowed to discharge the patient? That's what we're not able to understand.
See, we don't discharge the patient, as I have said. It's a leave against medical advice. Since the patient refused injection, she refused dressing, and the patient was very persistent of going home, so she left. So without any, we don't discharge the hospital. It was from the patient side.
What is your first interaction with her? Did she tell you that she's being burned by her husband, as alleged?
No, she never gave me that history, and she didn't say anything like that. From my side, I was just convincing her to have for improvement that she should get a regular dressing daily, and encourage her to increase the high protein diet intake or rapid recovery. Otherwise, she never gave any history of how it burned or how it happened.
Before coming to the hospital, did she apply some medicinal herbs and all?
Yes, he already
She went
mentioned
to
in
a
the
quack,
beginning.
maybe?
Yes.
No, so from the hospital, who is accountable for this lapse here? Is it that the police never turned up? Because I think from the end of the medical also, did you all suspect there was something wrong in this case? Or because one is she was threatened, hence she could not confess and say that she was burned by her husband. So we are trying to understand here who is said to be accountable here, because she visited the hospital. So how is it that immediately there was nobody who followed up or checked on the case?
See, everything for us is based on what the patient gave a history, or a patient party gave a history. So since we don't have any suspicious from our side, whatever you ask, even the patient doesn't say anything at all. So we always take it as an accidental burn injury, and even from the time of admission also, we have already taken as an accidental burn injury. So we didn't proceed, or we didn't give any.
Actually, the husband accompanied her. He was the one who came with her to admit in the hospital also. That may be the reason why you are not took care of. Yes.
When was that?
On the 7th of October, no, sir?
He was here since from the time of admission to the time of discharge.
Okay.
He was along.
He was there along with
He
her.
was the one feeding her everything.
Doctor, I have one question. Is the hospital capable of treating such burn?
See, the basic treatment we always give in Phla hospital. Other
Is the hospital capable of treating such burn?
See, the basic treatment we always give in Phla hospital. Other complication that happens, we usually refer the case outside.
So, but I mean, for now,
Like this complication, if the patient have contracture or any constructive surgery, refer the patient to a high centers like the rim square plastic surgery.
So right now the patient is responding very well to the treatment, or how?
Patient right now she's still stable and she's doing all the thing.
Okay, and what about the head injury? Because we have heard that she was brutally beaten on her head also.
See that we can't make out because at the time of when she had a burn which is covered with all the local medication. So it's very difficult to assess at the time of admission.
her body is completely burned around. What is the percentage?
Percentage?
Yeah.
It's more than 75%. I'm sorry, 45%.
45%.
No, but it's that means the head till the
Face,
stomach.
chest, the limbs, and part of the upper thighs.
The hands and
Face, neck. And
Coming to the commission now, are you satisfied with the meeting that you have held, and what is the future course of action from your end?
Yes, from the hospital side, they are doing their best. Whatever the facilities available with them, they are trying their best to save the patient.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yes.
What kind of action will the commission recommend against the husband and the family who try to hide this incident?
See, for that, we will go along with the investigation part. According to the law, according to the procedure, we will definitely try to bring all those involved in this matter also, including her in-laws, her husband. And as I said before, we will try our best not to grant him bail as long as she is in this critical situation.
So the husband has been arrested?
Yes, he is already arrested.
Ma'am, coming to the children, is the commission also looking for their custody, the protective custody, because there's also threats that the in-laws also have not been kind enough.
For now, her children are with her relatives, with her siblings. But yes, I will definitely recommend, ma'am also is here from the State Commission, I will definitely recommend for that.
Ma'am, what kind of law will the commission recommend to the state government to prevent such kind of incident in the near future?
As I said, it will take time. If we plan for any legislation, for any laws and regulation, it will take time. But what the immediate things that we can do is awareness. I reiterate this thing, that awareness is very important thing that we should spread how to prevent this kind of incident, and it is the participation of each and every one of us as a society. We should be responsible. We should take our responsibility to help each other in this critical situation.
Does the hospital have a question for you, doctor? Does the hospital have this medical social worker being appointed by the hospital who could communicate with the patient?
Of course, we have two numbers, but since we don't have much of cases before, like these type of cases, so we are utilizing them in the office work, so we have shortage of manpower in the office. So one female worker is working in the registration, and one is in the office here helping with the NHM files. So they are quite busy also. So what I plan now is that I will instruct them, like if there are such cases, they should be ready to leave their job here and take up their own responsibility.
See, doctor, it's been a gap of nearly 7 October. No?
Yes.
She came first discharge here. She came admitted here on 7.
Yes.
And yesterday it was on 19.
Right.
19. So did she take some medicine also after being discharged from here? Like
She
After
is
she left.
discharged against medical advice. That is
Yes.
called DAMA.
okay.
So normally in those type of cases, we don't give any prescription. We instruct them, like if there are such cases, they should be ready to leave their job here and take up their own responsibility.
See, doctor, it's been a gap of nearly 7 October. No?
Yes.
She came first discharge here. She came admitted here on 7.
Yes.
And yesterday it was on 19.
Right.
19. So did she take some medicine also after being discharged from here? Like
She
After
is
she left.
discharged against medical advice. That is
Yes.
called dama.
okay.
So normally in those type of cases, we don't give any prescription or advice because it's against our advice. So normally we just give the patient's choice, patient's party's choice to take against whatever they want to do in the future is their responsibility. First November, then she came back yesterday.
I just want to make one statement over here. I think what has come out from here has been a positive outcome, okay? Because we have interacted with the doctors, especially over here, and we've seen that there is a possibility of, strategizing and putting certain systems in place. Like, for example, the social worker will have to be more vigilant and more, working with the doctors and all that, because we need to have a history whether some cases is a case of domestic violence or not. So we really need that, and a doctor has assured us that that will be there in future, and so that is a positive thing. And there are many other ways also that we can strengthen, our relationship with the commission as well as with the one-stop center. That also will be taken, and we'll have further interactions so that we can strengthen these procedures and whatever in place. And the second thing that I want to say, because you asked about the children, I believe from the Child Rights Commission also, they have taken up the matter.
Ma'am, as per preliminary report, was this incident accidental or was it intentional?
As per the dying declaration, it is clearly mentioned it is accidentally
Fall in the fireplace.
fall in the fireplace. That is the dying declaration that has been given. It is there with the doctors.
And what about the police report? I mean, has they made any investigation?
The police, they have not done anything. As I said, there is no suspicious things and all. That's why.
So it was not.
It can be re-examined.
But we will
Since the patient
advise
is
them to
here,
do it
so we
again, because now it's clear that it's a domestic violence. It is he who burned her. So we'll advise accordingly, and you have to do
We would
that.
request you to kind of relook into the matter.
Mun dari hospital kami naik suspek ba giwan ba don mata ke jinjia ba syak thombo ni tai.
Ni kam suspect nomor baba guan ru kishu ong be ba ka ura jaka thang te ki ong ba klau khun ta hi te ka lok ru khamong e te ngi ashim ta ka statement ba des im suspect berani e mo te ju ko por ni case mission form cha police boot ru ula shu register from their side. Since they don't become suspect of any fault play, they will just give the necessary treatment and become part of the investigation.
Kumita ba ba apa pertai ba don kata ke jing thombo tai don ai sebut ti de kan ko kom hospital kan le ni da ko ba.
Betul tekan syong nak kali hospital tinggi at dengan sumar te target investigation ka ba yu te kam syong ke beri ban.
Police.
Baik. Tega condition ini comes new. Nomor ba yung patient kalau dehydrated na ko pam Muhammad. Dia ban yo ban eye drip ru im dan cuti pain siap e. Dia ka cakap ba ingru kala clear ba nomor ka cinta dawai ka si e. Dia pa wi wan ru ila stom tingi la kumdung ila yo ban eye drip he tang ba harin arsi lai sini tu ka drip ba eye ru kala ko veins ru e ki ju im nong shu. Tinga bo ti veins ba kam kam chile chumen they have kini for ki breast ki kar bering ni dressing you khoi kla improve te ni kong kam la hi ban bam thang ba tin din preng la pasyang ka la patai ka la encourage ka ba kan bam te ha ki por ki ya pre kala improve ha shu palan te teng la sengya do ban eye drip ru te kat ba ring ia si kala ko ba clear kala sang khoi kata din jayu pada suddenly pada ko ong kam tre show ban dressing ya ni kong ong balai te ko ong ba ka pang plan te la eye injection dan kena jipang ni dressing ni hari katu pada kam sha show ban eye injection room tre show ban eye dressing kam tre show kong ba ko shi te dang ni la convince kan ru contract show kaduk tengah on kuat sijing te kan non tumai ka jin jongkai te ka fi quality fi be da ka mon jong da ka tham da pha ni na hospital ni te hari tu shu ki bahai ki sain te ki shi te hari ni pe ka poi bang ni sama condition jumpa ban ka improve ta tim la ban ong nomor ba ka burn ka dai ka akham jileu it means it's a severe burn một ban ong ka petrol ka tim la ban komen
But he didn't suspect a full plea. That's why they didn't inform the police. Kata dia, urusan nomor berapa? Kenapa sih report lagi?
Hoi, ngapan pan ki ATR tengi jupan hi. Kumbaga o meneng ila shimso moto nagaling juga NCW, but hapo lai sngi ngin sa yo hi ke ia ka report na ki Meghalaya Police dan na Jante Hills na office jong SP ngin sa yo ia ka report. To namar kum mentangi la tip syai but kala syai ru kedar ba kadai ka domestic violence but kadai ka ba ila kala pau ba dei ba isya thang ha ulok jong i te ia u la de arrest la de camp but unsadon ha judicial custody te nata ki procedure ki investigation ki niyai but nakaling jongi ngin kerpat bet bakin kham kloi but bakin nom ai ya ka jamin dan ka bail nakabenta jong ukat ba khamtam ha kini ki por ki ba idang don ha kata ka jing sitam jong i ka ba khamjur mo khanang ba i ru in la ban kham koi kloi hang ni tena kaleng jong in persang bikmta ban penslim ya ka jamin ka jong u but ki benta ki badai ban le ka ain te ka code kan sa shim ya karai but in IT hakarai jong code hi kata
Mungkin sih report nak SP office room.
hoi ngin pan ya report na ya SP office ru kumbanga ong mene ngan ya kendu i DGP ru ngin ya discuss halor kini ki phang jong kani ka case ka bamentar
Nomor berapa ki berpulih ke post dia?
mene i ong ba da kato ka umpania ka ba usdi dok ha ning kong uthe shwara kato hamid jong hadi nang ta usa the daka syarak pat nang to ka sa ing bhag kabaning kong tadi kata ka umpaniang hana
Long terkini orang terjun Thang ini, ada yang report bahawa dalam tragedi